Yo, hello guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. So yeah, Israel Trader speaking right here, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you guys about some of the basic reasons why new forex traders fell in the forex market. So think about it guys, some of us that have been trading for like past 5 years, 4 years, 3 years and stuff like that have been profitable in the market, right? So why you that is just coming to the forex market and you are not yet profitable, you still lose money and stuff like that? So what are the things that we personally do? So I'm going to tell you some of the things that I personally do that I think, okay, you forex trader or you new forex trader is supposed to be avoiding all of these things in order for you to be able to be profitable in the forex market, right? So and of course, yeah, today's video is sponsored by Trader Central. So Trader Central is a funding ecosystem that fund retail traders. Maybe you are just an upcoming new forex trader that funding is a challenge and stuff like that. So Trader Central is here for you and they can fund you for up to 200,000 US dollars. So Trader Central, you know, there are so many things and so many benefits that you can benefit from this particular funding program. So you can have your trader copy, you know, where you place a trade on your account and it automatically copies to another person's account and stuff like that. And also you have a portfolio tracker which will track the record of your account and stuff like that. So Trader Central has a lot of things to offer you if you are just a new forex trader and stuff like that, right? So if you want to just witness it and confirm everything that I'm saying in this video, you can just go down in the description. There's a link that links you to Trader Central that you just click on it and stuff like that. So alright guys, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so yeah, that's take us to first reason why new forex traders fell in the forex industry, right? The first reason that I have here on the table is lack of risk management. You know, if you are a new forex trader and you don't actually know some basic things or basic rules about risk management, you'll be taking trade anyhow that you want, anyhow you feel that, okay, this is what you are supposed to be taking on your account, right? And of course that's not supposed to happen if you are an experienced trader, right? You know, remember, the first priority of a trader is to protect your capital as always. Never forget this guys, protect your capital as always. So don't tell me with $200 account you are going to be taking like a standard lot size, 2 lot size, 3 lot size on that particular account and expect me to say you are doing a very good risk management, right? Of course I will rate you very low when it comes to risk management if you are just taking like a standard lot size and stuff like that on your $100 account, not even $1,000 but $100 account, right? So lack of risk management leads new forex traders to be blowing different account and after account, right? So it is very important for you to learn a very good risk management. Like me personally, I just risk around 2 to 3% of my account size. You know, you can just start from 1 to 3%. So at maximum of 3%, at minimum of 1% on my personal account that I trade on it or in the forex market, right? And of course, if you are trying to trade long term in this industry, risk management, guys, should be your first priority. So you have to improve on your risk management. So improve on your risk management and come and thank me later. So that will lead us to the second reason of why new forex traders don't actually make it in the forex market. So yeah guys, that leads us to second reason of why new forex traders are not able to make it in the forex market. So the second reason is lack of patience and lack of knowledge, right? Of course, lack of patience and lack of knowledge, they go hand in hand, because if you lack patience, you will be emotionally unstable whenever time you are trying to trade in the forex market. What do I mean by that is, let's just take for example, if you are in a trade and one is a losing trade and second is a profitable trade, right? So yeah, you allow your losing trade to go as long as 100 pips in minus, 200 pips and stuff like that, and your profitable trade, you are not able to hold them and leave it for like 100 pips, 200 pips in profit. You cut them early, right? So if you cut your profitable trade early and leave your losing trade running, you know, definitely you are not going to be a profitable trader based on the fact that you are not able to keep your running profitable trade running. So if you are able to like maximize your profit and cut losses early, definitely you are going to be a profitable trader. So lack of patience causes that, and you will be emotionally unstable. And if you are emotionally unstable, that's when over trade comes into play and you will not be able to control your emotion, and that leads to your account getting blown and stuff like that. And of course, that's what I refer as lack of knowledge, because if you know what you are doing, definitely you have a target of, okay, maybe it will go for 100 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips and stuff like that. Then until when the market reaches your target, you can just be putting your stop loss at break even, just be adjusting your stop loss. We call it trailing your stop loss, right? You can just be trailing your stop loss while allowing your profitable trade to keep on running for like 200 pips, 300 pips and stuff like that in the forex market, right? So lack of patience and lack of knowledge causes that whenever time you are trying to trade in the forex market. So at least try as much as you can to obtain much information in order for you to be a profitable forex trader, right? So listen to what we are saying right here on YouTube. And also there are so many educational YouTube channels about forex and stuff like that right here on YouTube. You can just be watching them and stuff like that. I'm not the first person that started to make all of this educational stuff about forex on YouTube and stuff like that. So you have to just be making your research to just obtain knowledge, right? No knowledge is waste, guys. And of course, some of us offer mentorship and stuff like that. Why not enroll for a mentorship class and things like that? Invest in yourself, obtain the knowledge, after which tomorrow you come here and say, hey Israel, thank you very much for suggesting that I should go for mentorship, right? So that's the second reason why new forex traders actually don't make it in the forex market. So that will lead us to the third reason why new forex traders are not able to make it here in the forex industry. So okay, the third reason that I have for you guys is trying to be a rich overnight, like trying to be rich overnight. So lots of new forex traders that actually come with this mindset of okay, trying to be a rich someone overnight and stuff like that. So if you're a forex trader, you're gonna be driving Lamborghini, you're gonna be driving Ferrari, you're gonna be driving Tesla and stuff like that. So you have to cut off that mindset completely, guys. Like me personally, it took me for like 1 year to figure out how to trade in the forex market. And even my second year when I was learning how to trade, it was not actually a profitable trader. I wasn't that profitable because I needed the knowledge, and funding was one of my biggest challenge. So yeah, these days there's something like Trader Central that can give you up to $200,000 if you just know how to trade and stuff like that. So now funding is no more the excuse for new forex traders. Let me just tell you that, like upfront. So funding, you shouldn't complain about funding, right? So you just cut off the mindset of coming that okay, overnight you're gonna be a profit, you're gonna be a rich someone, like just being a forex trader, right? That's not what is happening, guys. Never think or never come in with the mindset of being somebody that will be rich overnight whenever time you're trying to trade forex, right? So yeah, you can't just tell me maybe with $100 I can, then you're trying to obtain or get like $1 million or stuff like that. Cut off that mindset completely, guys. Forex trading is not as easy as you think. If you are here, oh my goodness, if you know what I'm saying, definitely you're not coming with the mindset of trying to be a rich somebody overnight and stuff like that. So even me that you are seeing right here, I'm trading with like 50,000, 100,000, make 5,000, 2,000 whatsoever daily and stuff like that. It did not start from here. When I was learning how to trade, in fact, I was not even making nothing. Thank God for everything that we are here today and we are profitable traders, right? So please and please, I beg you not to come in here and thinking that okay, you are going to be a profitable or you are going to be a rich somebody overnight because you are just a profitable trader, right? Me personally, I don't have Lamborghini, I don't have nothing. So just calm down, guys. Calm down, because this forex trading is not as easy as you think. So yeah, just cut off that mindset of trying to be a rich fool somebody overnight, right? So yeah, that's just what I have for you guys. Of course, part 2 is dropping, so expect that since I'm already here on YouTube now and I'm free and stuff like that. So part 2 will be dropping soon, so expect that. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family, and also watch more videos. I'll put end screen somewhere around here and other videos, so you can just go there and watch them. So thank you very much for watching. I wish you a profitable weekend, a profitable day whatsoever. It depends on when you are seeing this video, right? So thank you very much, guys. I'm still Israel Trader and I'm signing out. Thank you very much. Peace out.